Now let's see this. X square x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0, and 6y square plus 11y minus 35 equal to 0. So if you go with factorization method, you are supposed to find out two numbers in such a way that product of those two numbers is minus 4 and sum of the two numbers is plus 1. But then it is difficult to find those numbers, and so we go with the formula method, right? So what we do is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now if you substitute in place of a, b, c these values, a is 1, b is 1 and c is minus 4, then you are going to get this value finally, right? So comparing this number with some other number with some other numbers which are going to have even this root of some numbers is difficult. So that is why I am converting this number into actual numbers and finding out the final answer in a one single number, right? I am trying to eliminate this square root. Then if I do that, square root of 17 is 4.12, and it has to be plus one time and minus one time. That is why here plus and here minus. And finally I got the values of x, which means the roots of x as 1.56 and minus 2.56. okay, and coming to this, again here also the same one, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now if I write this, we are going to get 5 by 3 and minus 7 by 2. So just to compare these two numbers with this, I am converting this one also into numbers without fractions. Now I got 1.66 and then minus 3.5. Now if we consider all the four possibilities that we get here for x and y, we are going to get four possibilities. So one possibility is 1.56 and 1.66, right? So in this case we get less than, right? And the other one is 1.56 and minus 3.5. Now in this case we get greater than. So it is not either less or either greater. It is there is no relation. So we cannot talk about any relation between them. So it is no relation between x and y. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.